A very good morning, class 7th. Today, on 23rd December, we will continue our chapter, that is of symmetry, chapter 15. Right? Today, we will do the exercise 15.2 of symmetry, and in this exercise, you will study about the reflection. As I told you, today we will study about the reflection. Reflection of symmetry. As you all know, what do you mean by reflection? When a ray of light, see, this is a surface. Ray of light falls on a surface and it reflects back. That is called the reflection, right? You have studied this topic in science. Same here, reflection of symmetry. How reflection work in symmetry? Let us talk about that. So students, now tell me, when you see yourself in the mirror, what you observe there? Suppose this is a mirror. This is a mirror, right? You are standing this side of the mirror. When you raise your this hand in the mirror, it will shows to this side. When you are observing yourself in front of the mirror and you raise your right hand, so in the mirror your image will raise the left hand, right? So this is also a reflection. आप मिरर की आउटसाइड हैं और जो आपको आपकी इमेज विजिबल हो रही है, दैट इज इनसाइड ऑफ द mirror. Clear? So that we call the mirror symmetry. What we call to that? Mirror symmetry. Mirror symmetry. Now, how you will see the objects? Like here, I am writing R and this one is the mirror. When you see this alphabet R in the mirror, it will like this, right? So this we call the mirror image of the alphabet R. Now this is vertical, come to horizontal. I will write this R like this and it will in the horizontal way में reflection of R, of alphabet R, it will be like this, and in the vertical mirror it shows like this. Clear? So this is about the reflection of symmetry. See beta, reflection of symmetry is also equals to the line of symmetry. They both have the same concept, that is the figure which is left side of the mirror is ideal to the figure which is right side of the mirror. Ideal means these figures both are same to each other. They both are same to each other. Right? So that is called the reflection of symmetry. Now, one more in this, that is, reflection of symmetry can be drawn with the help of isometric. With the help of isometric dots. What is isometric dots? How this works? Isometric dots क्या होती हैं? And second thing, that is grid paper. These are the two ways. First one, isometric dots, and the second one is grid paper. Now see how they both work. I am having a one square type box. See, There I will put dots. Right? Same. Like this. 4 to downside and 8 to this side. Now, if I join this one and this one, then this one, right? So same this side also I can draw by joining the dots, right? So this point is what we call to this? We call to this isometric dots. With the help of isometric dots, we can create the pattern or we can create an object which is ideal to each other. Now grid papers, how it works. Grid papers में क्या होता है? Sometimes we have done like I am having this sheet of paper. This sheet I am having. If I will turn it like this, I will fold it. So whatever I will put a dot of ink or something else which is dark, then the same pattern will come to this side. See here, right? So that is also, we can, by this method we can create the symmetry. Clear, students? So the concept of line symmetry and reflex symmetry is very close to each other, or you can say they are also equal. Reflection में आता है, reflection we will take like you have studied the reflection in science. When we saw a something or when the rays fall on the surface, it reflects back. So same procedure है, when you see an object into the mirror or yourself, the image created which you can see, right? So reflection of symmetry and line of symmetry, they are also very similar to each other. Now come to your exercise, that is for 15.2. Now we will discuss the question from your exercise. Now see the exercise 15.2. That first question is state whether the following statement are true and false. So this question you will do yourself. You will check which statement is related to this, which one is true and which one is false. So students, this you have to do yourself. Now come to the S1. That is, key 2 is firstly, check whether the line drawn on each of the following figure is it line of symmetry. So what you have to do, you have to just check. Here, see, the same shape is up and same shape is down. दोनों में similar shape है. So this is the line of symmetry. So we will write yes, the drawn line is the line of symmetry. Next one, B part. So here see, when you draw line of symmetry in this, see the figure changes. This will come downside and this will, see ये यहाँ पे up है, this side down. This will up, this side, this down. So it means no. The given line of is not the line of symmetry. This is a rectangle and rectangle has line of symmetry. So see, this part is also same and this one is also same. So the line drawn in this figure, that is same. Now the D part. See the line drawn here, this is not the line of symmetry. The reason, you can draw the figure, draw the figure like this one, and downside these are this, right? So this is not equal, right? ये shape जो है वो upside and downside similar नहीं है. It means this line is not the line of symmetry. Clear this one? Now S1 part. In the following figures, the lines indicates mirror lines like this. Draw the reflection of the given shape when they are reflected along these lines. So same pattern you have to go with this, and you will draw this side because reflection is given here. So see, first, then second, and then third, right? And this one be the corner part. Same for this one, then joint, then this part, and same we will go with this part, then this part, and this part, right? And these corner parts, this side also and this side also, right? So see, now figure B. Now same you will go with for the B part, and same you will go with C part, right? बहुत इजी है बच्चे, रिफ्लेक्शन ही है आपकी जो सिमिलर फर्स्ट में है, सेम एज इट इज, जस्ट साइड चेंज हो जाएंगी, राइट? नाउ द S2, draw the reflection of the following objects when they are reflected along the mirror line shown here. So here these are also like this. So here this, it will come to this side. Right? See, I am drawing here free-handy. You will draw with a very sharply. Now B part. See, as I told you, the side change. It will be like this, right? Sides change. Same you will go with this. Clear? Now S3, complete the image of the given shapes using reflection symmetry. So it means this is the line of symmetry, and same we have to draw like this. You have to draw the similarly like this. The shape which is drawn this side, same you have to draw this side. Clear? Now S4, complete the picture by drawing their reflection. Now see, the reflections are drawn here, and you know how you have to draw. So same like this you have to draw. Which shape is drawn here? Same like this. You will draw this side. This one. Right? Take it little bit more. Then same. Go with this. Right? Same for the star. Same for this, just little bit. Now for this also you will draw yourself. Now come to complete the reflected image for the given shapes on the grid. So this also you will draw yourself with the help of the boxes. Right? This we have discussed. After this, S5. Next is S6. Draw circles in the blank grid to make pattern look symmetrical. Means you have to draw the circle. So firstly on the third line, here it at last, it means again it will come in this here, then this. One more thing, see, symmetrical show karna hai, it means it is equals to this. So here this box is in the last, so not here, here it will come at first. बिकॉज जब हम सिमेट्री ड्रॉ करते हैं बच्चे, तो देखो मिरर लाइन मैंने आपको बताया था, यहाँ से ही अपोजिट आपका कन्वर्ट होगा, राइट. सो फर्स्ट इट मीन्स लास्ट, फर्स्ट sorry at the first, so here it will be the last. Then one leave this one, so it means this is. Now side to this, so in this one will come here, then this two will come here. Now see, this is symmetrical to each other, right? So this we will erase it, don't draw here. Next, now in the following figures, the second grid is the reflection of the first. Second one is the reflection of first. Complete the grid by drawing the missing shape. So see here, this is second and this will be the second grid is the reflection of first. So main ये है आपका. Now this one is second, it means here it is the last second. This it will come here at this side, this triangle. Again one triangle here, this is at last, so here it will come in this, right? And this one hexagon here, so you will draw it here. Clear? Same you will go with this here, so again it will be here, this it will come here, one more it will come here. Now see, they both are same. Now S8, draw the shapes in the grid to make the pattern that is symmetrical along both the lines of symmetry. So this also you will complete as it is. Line of symmetry is this one, downside, not upward. All four, see, vertical also and horizontal also. It means the line which you will draw make all four sides equal. Clear, students? So today we have completed our exercise 15.2 also. If in the exercise you have any problem, then you can comment and ask. After that, our next topic will be about rotational symmetry. What is this, how it used, and where we will use it. So this we will study in the next lecture. If you have any problem regarding this, you can comment and you can ask.